How to add calendar blocks in Squarespace. In order to do that, first head over your Squarespace editor and then locate wherever you want to put that. I'll put it right here. So click onto this add block, and then from in there, it should be able to open the window right here. Just click onto the search bar and search in here for calendar. You can find it right there. So for this case, just drag and drop it. In my case, let's input it right here. And then it should be able to be added. So you can also resize it if you want to make it smaller if you would want. In this case, let's make it smaller. And here is how it looks like right now. So as you can see, the calendar has been added and you can head over and click on this edit icon if you wish to edit it. You can input or display events, blog posts, products, or gallery images as calendar. You can input right your products for your store. And also in this case, you can edit this calendar in order to change its layout as well as its design altogether. So that's how you add calendar blocks in Squarespace. Hope you helped.